Hi there, today I am going to show you how to create this editable 3D text effect in Adobe Photoshop step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Photoshop. Choose a file size as you like. I am choosing a file size of 1920 by 1080 pixels. First, I will create a background. If you have a background, you don't need to create a new one. Just bring it to Photoshop. Then type your text with your favorite font. I am using Django regular font. Enlarge the text as needed. Centerline the text. Right click on the text layer and select Convert to a Smart Object. Then double click on the right side of the text layer. Check on Inner Shadow. Here, select a light blue color. Select the blend mode to multiply and set the opacity value to 81, angle value to 96, distance value to 7. Choke value to 5, size value to 18. Select this one in the contour. Then check on color overlay. Here select the light blue color, keep the rest as is and hit OK. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Insert the duplicate layer fill to 0. Then double click on the right side of the duplicate layer. Here uncheck inner shadow and color overlay. Check on a stroke. Here set the size value to 15. Select outside as position. Then select the fill type to gradient. Double click on the gradient and create 4 points on it. Select each of these points individually and select your favorite color. Set the angle value to 100, the scale value to 112. Select classic as method. Hit OK. Then hold shift, press down arrow key and the left arrow key twice. Click on this arrow to hide the F-Light effect's name. Now hold Alt and press right arrow key to copy the layer until the gap is filled. Now hold Shift and click on the copy to layer. Then just press up arrow key once. Then hold Ctrl and click on copy to layer. Again press up arrow key once. Hold Ctrl and click on copy 3 layer. I am moving all the layers up in the same way. Then group on the stroke effect layer and name it. Now hold Alt and copy a layer from the group and place it outside. Now double click on the right side of the layer. Check on Bevel and Emboss. Here select Stroke Emboss as this style. Select Smooth in the technique. Set the depth value to 1000, soften value to 4, angle value to 61, altitude value to 37. Select this one in the glass contour. Here select white color and set the blend mode to linear dodge add. Set the opacity to 8%. Here select black color and set the blend mode to linear burn and set the opacity to 29%. Here double click on the gradient, select light color at each point. And hit OK. Then press Ctrl J to make another copy. Double click on the right side of the layer. Then select Bevel and Emboss. Here set the depth value to 115, size value to 35, soften value to 1, angle value to 86, altitude value to 48. Set the highlight opacity to 55 and shadow mode opacity to 30%. Then check on contour. Select this one in the contour and set the range value to 21. Then select a stroke. Here set the angle value to 90 and a scale value to 114. Double click on the gradient. Here select light color at each point. And hit OK. Again press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Double click on the right side of the layer. In this one, uncheck stroke. Select Bevel and Emboss. Here set the style to inner bevel. Set the depth value to 11, size value to 27, soften value to 11, angle value to -131, altitude value to 37. Select lighten in the highlighted mode. Set the opacity to 45%, shadow mode opacity to 0. Select contour and set the range value to 21 and hit OK. Press Ctrl J again. In layer style, select Bevel and Emboss. Set the depth value to 168. Check on down in the direction. Size value to 46. Soften value to 7. angle value to -109, altitude value to 48, uncheck anti-aliased, set the highlight mode opacity to 67 and hit OK. The effect is ready. Group all the effects layer and name it. To change the text, double click on any text layer thumbnail. Here change the text as you like. Hit OK and press Ctrl S to save. Look, the text effect has been automatically updated. By the way, the project file download link is given in the description. Don't forget to download it. Now double click on the right side of the stroke text group layer. Here check on drop shadow. Here set the distance value to 5, size value to 20 and hit OK. Here I copied the text effect layer and keep it round off on the top and named it. Double click to change. If I double click on the text layer thumbnail, I can change the text. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.